Still to
I'll
come,
show you.
who discovers why customers are so addicted to this hot dog stand. Oh, they're loud though, brother. And it's not the food. Being an international hitman has its occupational hazards, like having to deal with shady characters, run-ins with the law, shooting your way out of tight spaces, and trying to impress a girl only for her to find you're a cold-blooded killer. Bangkok Dangerous. Saturday and catch Trailer Park Boys weekdays at 6 on the Boston Pizza.
Show me your crab walk.
Boston Pizza, here to make you happy. Cops. Weekdays at 4
And your bridge?
Huh?
Bridge?
Even this stiff back.
Okay, now show me how you do your boxing.
Relax Platinum.
Where?
It's formulated to relax tense muscles and relieve pain at the site of injury.
Here.
No one knows back pain like Robax. Sheets
Here.
are power.
Here.
Your bounce.
Oh, I'm a forgetter. I tend to forget things all the time, so I'm a bar person.
What about an uppercut?
I can't remember the dryer sheet. So if I forget, I'm still good.
Good job.
How do you get your bounce?
Remember the bar!
Lisa knows.
Think everybody. Think everybody.